Yeah, Jean de Bien.
And my name's Abraham, and we are doing 7 laps in this beautiful Ferrari 488 GTB.
Right.
Now with this car, we have almost 700 horsepower, 671 to be exact, getting pushed straight to the rear wheels. This car is extremely powerful. All the weight's in the back. Bad news is there's no weight really up front.
Right.
What that means to you as a driver is if we get on the throttle too early and too aggressive, it'll actually take away the front end grip too early.
Right.
Steering's not going to really want to respond with us.
Okay.
So just be patient and smooth onto that throttle pedal.
Okay.
You'll find a lot more control.
Okay.
With the mirrors, they're set for me. I'll take care of anything that comes up behind us. If we need to let someone by, I'll let you know in advance. My hand will go on the steering wheel and the hazard lights will go on. If we need to pass someone, wait for the slower car to show us their hazard lights, then once again, my hand will go on the steering wheel and we'll drive around that slower car. Beyond that, do you want to do the paddle shifting or stay in automatic?
Stay automatic.
Excellent. So once we're out there, you don't have to worry about shifting. Do you have any questions before we start moving?
No, I think that my goal is to listen to your coaching to get the best possible experience and not try to be a hero, but get the most out of my limitations in the car.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're not here to slow you down. We're here to extend your limits to meet the car's limits as well.
Okay.
If you're ready, go ahead and push your brake pedal down, upshift once just to get us in gear.
So where's it? Oh.
Pull that toward you.
Oh, that's it? Okay, all right.
And release it. Now we're in 1 automatic. Go ahead and lead us forward and to the left. Nice and easy.
I noticed the TPM light design.
Yep, that's because in every car we pull the sensors out of the tires.
I got you. Okay, all right. Okay, so I can just go forward?
Yep, absolutely.
Nice and easy. Oh, it was on the speed bump. That's why I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
All right.
To the left here. Up to the stop sign. And we're going to stop here. We got one more car coming by.
Okay.
If you're ready, we're clear all the way out. Go ahead, accelerate out to the green cone. Straight ahead.
Oh yeah, sorry.
To the left here. Straight line for the far green cone, accelerating. Out to the green, off the throttle, look to the right. Into those green apex cones. Nice and smooth, out to the left, accelerating. Full power, go for it. Brake hard at the orange, brake harder, brake harder. Look to the right, turn, no brakes. Down to the green on the bottom. Smooth power, pass them on the left, accelerate, full power. On the left side, brake hard, brake harder, brake harder. To the right, off the brakes. Look up the hill, hugging the right side, accelerate, power. Touch the brakes and release. To the green, tight to the left. Let it out to the middle, accelerating, power. Full power. Brakes out to the green, brake harder, brake harder. Turn into the right, off the brakes, tighter to the right. Out to the middle, smooth power, accelerate. Back to the right side, accelerate. Off the throttle to the left. Accelerate straight through, power. Brakes out to the green, brakes. Turn in to the right, tight to the right, tighter. Now out to the left, accelerate, full power. Stay on the left side. Brake hard down the left side. Very good. Look to the right, turn, no brakes, down to the green. Stay off the throttle. Now accelerate, power, power. Stay on the left side. Brake hard down the left side, brake harder, brake harder. To the right, off the brakes, tighter to the right. Up to the right side, accelerating. Touch the brakes, off the brakes, to the green, tight to the left, less throttle, less throttle. Now accelerate, power. Brake hard down the left side, stay on the left, off the brakes, off the throttle. Turn more to the right, now accelerate, power, power. Back to the right side, off the throttle, to the left, accelerate, accelerate. Brakes out to the green, off the brakes, to the right, turn more. Out to the left side, accelerating, full power. Stay on the left. Brake hard down the left side. Off the brakes, down to the bottom, tight to the right. Now accelerate out to the far green cone, full power. Stay on the left. Brakes on the left side, stay on the left. Eyes to the right, off the brakes to the right, tight to the green. Up the hill, smooth power, back to the right. Off the throttle, no brakes, turn to the left.
Oh, no brakes here? Okay.
Out to the right, accelerating. Power to the left. Brakes out to the green, stay on the left, off the brakes, all the way into the green cone, tight to the right, out to the middle, accelerating, power to the right, off the throttle, to the left, turn more, accelerate, brakes out to the green, off the brakes, to the right, turn more, less throttle, now accelerate out to the left. Brake hard down the left side, brake harder, to the right, off the brakes, down to the green, tight to the right, out to the far green cone on the left, accelerate, full power, brakes on the left, stay on the left side, look to the right, into the green, off the brakes, up that hill, hug the right side, accelerate, straight line brake, and release, to the green, out to the right side, accelerate, power, 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 beautiful, brakes out to the green, off the brakes, all the way to the right, tight to that green cone, accelerate out to the middle, full power, excellent, to the right, off the throttle, to the left, accelerate straight through, light brakes out to the green, off the brakes, all the way to the right, tighter to the right, out to the left side, accelerating, full power, brake hard down the left side, brake harder, to the right, off the brakes, down to the green, out to the green cone up top, accelerate, beautiful, stay on the left, brake hard down the left side, brake harder, off the brakes, to the right, turn tighter, up to the right side, accelerate, touch the brakes, off the brakes to the green, tighter, out to the right, accelerate, full power to the left, brakes out to the green, off the brakes, pass on the right, tight to the green cone, tighter, out to the middle, accelerate back to the right, off the throttle, turn, accelerate straight through, light brakes out to the green cone, off the brakes, all the way to the right, tighter, out to the left side, accelerate, stay on the left, brake hard down the left side, stay on the left, off the brakes, down to the green, tight to the right, up and out to the far green cone, accelerating, let it out, beautiful, on the left side, brakes, stay tight to the left, brake harder, off the brakes, to the right, tight to the green, accelerate up to the right side, off the throttle, to the green cone, on the left, tight to the left, out to the right, accelerate, power back to the left, brakes out to the green, stay on the left, off the brakes, all the way to the right, out to the middle, accelerate, power, back to the right side, off the throttle, to the left, accelerate straight through, brakes out to the green, off the brakes, all the way to the right, tighter, less throttle, now accelerate, accelerate, brake hard down the left side, look to the right, off the brakes, down to the green, tight to the right, out to the far green cone, accelerating out to the left, on the left side, brakes nice and smooth, brake harder, off the brakes, to the right, tighter to the right, up to the right side, accelerating, power, touch the brakes and release, to the left, tight to the green, out to the middle, accelerate, power, and brake hard down the left side, slow it all down the left side, that's
Are we done now?
7 laps, yes sir.
Oh shit, that goes by fast, man.
To the left here, yes it does.
What I do?
Did good. Did you feel like? Did you feel that like?
I was getting it, but then I was, it's like my head wasn't thinking fast enough.
That's just your heart rate.
I know. Which way?
Straight ahead, along the way wall. No, in the beginning, the first 2 laps, I really noticed you're like trying to find your comfort.
Right.
And around the 3rd and 4th lap, you began to find your groove.
Right. Yeah.
And you really started laying that speed down. Nice job. Up to the top rope.
Okay. Yeah, I was trying to figure out when do I brake, when how hard do I have to brake. And I could really get used to it with experience, man.
Yeah, but that's the thing. It takes time to get a feel for all of that. Between these 2 red Ferraris, number 4, please.
Yeah, what an amazing machine, man. Holy shit. Right? I mean, I can't believe how fast I was taking these turns. I guess I get to look at it on the video.
Forward?
No, how do you put back in?
Yep, we're going to go a little bit more forward till we get up to the bump.
Okay, sorry.
Stop there.
Oh.
Pull both shifters in at the same time and release them, foot off the brake. Excellent.
So it's in neutral now. Okay.
We're gonna roll back. Boom, there we are.
All right.
Excellent. So Jean, when you're done here, are you guys driving more cars? Are you guys taking a ride with a drifter, anything of the sort?
I think I'm done. I think my son's girlfriend is doing the drifting in a little bit, but I think I'm going to be done. I think this is good.
If you're done for the day, there's no rush, but when you guys are all done together, make sure to turn this back into the front video desk.
Right.
That's to get your license back.
Right.
Beyond that, do you have any questions?
No, this was awesome, man.
Excellent.